Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to review the Just Herbs Silky Strength Aloe Vera Wheat Germ Moisturizing Shampoo, and this is enriched with vetiver, hibiscus and soy lecithin, and it retails for rupees 625 for 200 ml of the product, and it is meant for normal to dry hair. So today I'm going to review this product and give my honest opinions about this shampoo. I've used this shampoo roughly 4 to 5 times and I'm in a position to review this shampoo for you. Just Herbs is a brand which is free of chemicals, and this product is paraben and SLS and SLE is free, and it is a certified organic product. What I saw from the ingredients of the shampoo is that it does not contain any harmful chemicals. It contains all natural ingredients, which is a plus point for the shampoo, because we don't want something harsh for our hair because it damages our hair, and this shampoo contains all natural ingredients, so it is very helpful for the hair. First, I would like to talk about all the benefits of the ingredients that are present in the shampoo so that we can get to see how the shampoo performs on our hair. It does contain aloe vera, which helps in providing deep conditioning to your hair, and it promotes healthy and lively hair. The aloe vera present in this shampoo does make your hair very smooth and shiny, and the aloe vera also prevents in itching of the scalp, and it also helps in the hair growth. The second ingredient that is present in the shampoo is wheat germ. Now, wheat germ oil is something which is a useful ingredient in maintaining the healthy hair. It is rich in linoleic acid and it is a great hair nourisher. The key to healthy hair is a healthy scalp and the healthy root of the hair, and that is something which is done with the help of the wheat germ oil. The other ingredient that is present in this shampoo is hibiscus. Now, hibiscus is something which helps in split ends of your hair. It provides hydration against the frizziness, dryness and the breakage of your hair, and it also adds a lot of volume and shine to your hair, and it prevents premature graying of the hair. So all in all, hibiscus has got a lot of benefits for your hair, and that is one of the main ingredients present in this shampoo. Now, the other ingredient that is present in the shampoo is vetiver. Vetiver is something which has got antimicrobial properties. Vetiver root oil, it improves the blood circulation to your hair follicles, and it prevents infection, and it boosts the collagen formation of your hair. Vetiver root oil is a big boost to the aging hair to replenish collagen formation and bring the hair back to life. Now, soy lecithin present in this shampoo, it helps in treating especially the dry and damaged hair, because it improves the structural qualities of your hair, and together with the other hair care ingredients present in this shampoo, the soy lecithin, it provides a lot of hydration and moisturization to your hair, and it also helps to restore the natural protective coating of your hair. So all in all, the ingredients present in this shampoo are all wisely chosen, and all the ingredients provide a lot of benefits to your hair. All the ingredients are naturally derived, so I was very excited to try out this shampoo as all of the ingredients are natural and it is free of paraben and SLS and SLEs. And it also mentions that it is the Bazaar Top 100 Best Natural Shampoo Award winner for the year 2015, which is a very good thing. It retails for rupees 625 for 200 ml of the product. Now, I think it is on the costlier side, but the ingredients present in this shampoo are natural ingredients, so I think it is worth giving this shampoo a try. As far as the effects of the shampoo on my hair are concerned, this shampoo is meant for normal to dry hair. So if you have normal to dry hair, this shampoo is going to work for you. This shampoo does provide a lot of hydration to your hair, and it makes your hair more smooth and silky and shiny, and it instantly makes your hair look and feel very soft and smooth. I remember when I was rinsing out the shampoo from my hair, I could feel the softness in my hair, and this is a good shampoo. Even without using a conditioner, I did feel that this shampoo was enough in itself. It gave a lot of hydration to my hair. It did make my hair more soft and smooth and shiny, and it is meant for normal to dry hair, so if you're in that category, you might love this product a lot. But as far as my hair is concerned, I have curly, dry, frizzy hair which is prone to breakage, and What I noticed with this shampoo was that it did not give a lot of definition to my curls. Yes, it provided a lot of hydration, moisturization, softness and smoothness, but it particularly did not provide a lot of definition to my curls, and I would complain about that because this is not a shampoo which claims to do so. It is meant for normal to dry hair, it is not meant for curly hair, so I would not expect that with this shampoo. But this is a good shampoo. I would recommend it to people who have curly, dry and frizzy hair like mine, because it would not specifically work for your hair and it does not claim to do so also, so I don't have any complaints regarding that. But if you consider it like a regular shampoo, then it is good quality shampoo. It is going to give you lots of hydration to your hair and make your hair look very soft and smooth and shiny. If you're looking for a shampoo which can give you hair fall control, then this is not the shampoo for you, because it does not provide any hair fall control. You will experience the same hair fall that you experience with any other shampoo, but this shampoo also does not claim to provide hair fall control, so I don't have any complaints regarding that also. But you get normal hair fall that you experience with any other shampoo, so that is what I would like to say. If you're looking for a shampoo which is free of chemicals, which contains natural ingredients and which is paraben and SLS free, then this is the shampoo to go for. You won't be disappointed with the effects of this shampoo. This is really good shampoo in giving you silky, smooth hair. It does not necessarily make your hair strong, and it washes your hair, it cleanses your scalp very well. You won't have any complaints with that. But if you ask me, would I repurchase this shampoo? I would say I would not repurchase this shampoo, because it is not meant for curly and dry hair. It is meant for normal to dry hair. I personally have curly, dry, frizzy hair, so I would prefer a shampoo which is catered towards that. I had used this shampoo with and without the conditioner, and I would like to say that even when you don't use the conditioner, you will see that this shampoo gives you moisturized hair and makes your hair look more smooth and soft and shiny. If you oil your hair, then definitely you require little bit more quantity of this shampoo, but that is the case with any other shampoo. And I was quite surprised how this shampoo lathers, because it lathers really very well. I thought that for every wash you will require a huge quantity of the shampoo for cleansing your scalp and hair, but I was wrong. You just require a little quantity of the shampoo and it will work very well in giving you that squeaky clean feeling. You don't require extra amounts of the shampoo. I was quite skeptical that the shampoo would get over in a few washes, but I was wrong. Will I recommend this shampoo? Yes, I will recommend this shampoo. Overall, this is a good shampoo. You can give it a try. You will be happy with the results of the shampoo and you won't be disappointed with this shampoo. And as far as the silky strength claims of the shampoo is concerned, yes, it makes your hair more silky and smooth and shiny, but I don't think it provides a lot of strength to your hair. Your hair looks like it used to look before. We won't see any miraculous change in your hair. Now, this is a natural shampoo, so if you're looking for a shampoo with all clean ingredients, no nasty chemicals, then I think you should definitely give the shampoo a try. So that was my honest review about the Just Herbs Silky Strength Aloe Vera Weight Gel Moisturizing Shampoo. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.